Hello, in front of me I've got Throne and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to use Morphs. In the beginning, press F10 and go to Morph. As you can see right here, we've got Dash Morphs, Glide Morphs and Swing Morphs. We can switch them, and the skins for our Morphs can be achieved by Battle Pass or quests. In order to use them, press space while falling to enable Glide Morph. Now you can press space to increase the height or S to fall down. To run faster, press left shift button while walking. Thanks to this you morph into Tiger, which allows you to run faster. In the end we've got the Water Morph, thanks to which we can swim faster. Here we've got the tutorial about movement while using Morph. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.